I made this storybook 100% free, with AI. You can also make this kind of storybooks for free. You don't need any skills to make, everything will be automated with AI. You don't need to write script, don't need to generate images one by one, you don't need any additional software to compile all assets into a book. You will get everything from scratch to complete storybook. Just watch the video till end. And this storybook I made with my mobile phone from same free AI. This storybook also have option for AI narration. Watch full video to learn how you can make unlimited free storybook.
From that day on,
how was the story? Let's make a complete new storybook from scratch. You can also use your mobile phone too to create it. From your Google browser, visit to gemini.google.com. Then tab into menu, you will see an option named Storybook, tap on it. You will see some preloaded suggestion to use, or you can write your idea into chat box and submit and AI will do the rest for you. But at first I am taking one suggestion to create our first storybook. I am selecting this pre-suggested one and submit it to start our AI storybook. And it takes 30 to 60 seconds. In the meantime, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Oh, within few seconds AI completed entire book for us. It includes all pages, cover page, story script page by page, images for each pages, everything. It's truly awesome and incredible. This storybook also includes a storyteller feature. If you tap on listen button, AI will start narrating the book for you. I love this feature very much. I recommend you to try this for free and you will be wondered. Let's hear a bit.
Alara's sleepover adventure. Elara loved her cozy bed. It was soft and warm, just right for dreaming. But tonight, Elara wasn't sleeping in her own bed. She was going to Grandma Dot's house. A tiny worry fluttered in Alara's tummy. What if I miss Mama and Papa too much? She whispered to her favorite teddy bear Barnaby.
Let's create another storybook to test this AI. Tapping into back button, then I will select another pre-made story to create a new one. You can make unlimited storybook with this AI for free and download PDF and publish it internet. Here I am taking a new one and let's see what AI will make for us. Here our new storybook is completely ready. Let's see it. These storybooks are truly extraordinary, without any efforts and prior knowledge. Let's test this AI by creating another storybook. Our storybook is ready. It's really awesome. In this way you can create free unlimited AI storybook without any basic knowledge of AI. After creating a book you will need to download it as PDF and then share it anywhere internet. If this video helps, please like, comment and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.